Welcome back and thank you for staying with us. Black River is on the verge of transformation and one man has been at the forefront of creating these opportunities. Here's Deirdre Thomas with this week's edition of the Business Review.
Black River, a beacon of innovation, the first place in Jamaica to have gotten electricity, a motor car and a telephone.
It is very unique. But you would have seen the town, and it's very congested. And there's no scope for development based on the logistics of the town.
But over the years, its vibrancy faded, its street grew quieter, and its historic charm became a mere whisper of what once was. Now, the town is set to embrace a new chapter in its storied history. This idea, one man with a vision. Donovan Smith, who serves as the managing director for Don's Motor World Limited. Mr. Smith has been spearheading efforts to generate economic activity from the early 90s.
I looked at the eastern side of Black River, the western side, and I was always looking for properties, right, that I could do organized commercial and residential development. In fact, in 2004, when I built the gas station next door, I approached KFC then. That's 21 years ago. At the time, they said Black River wasn't ready for KFC.
Not deterred by the number of doors being slammed in his face, his unwavering determination has kept his vision alive. 21 land surveys and 2 decades later, Mr. Smith's vision is taking shape. As seen here, a milestone in his journey is just a few weeks away. The opening of a KFC in Black River.
So having had KFC confirmation and coming to the Don's Commercial Center, that is the first building that I embark and do it. In that complex, you will have gas station, you'll have other retail outlets.
More than just a fast food outlet, this multi-million-dollar investment is expected to generate income for residents and even ease traffic congestion due to its strategic location.
Black River doesn't have enough fast food restaurants or fast food place where you can just sit and chill. Well, now that KFC is here, I am very glad. I can spend time with my family here as well. I can also work here as well.
As he puts it, this is just the start of what is to come.
When I've completed the 10.6 acres where the KFC is going, I'm going to come back and complete another commercial hub right here. It's important for government to consolidate. So I have allotted a space in that commercial complex for the government whenever they are ready. So I would welcome the tax office, NIS, and the other agencies in the Don's Commercial Center.
For the Business Review, I'm Deirdre Thomas.